In front of me is OPPO Reno 13FS, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. If you are annoyed that icon size on your OPPO is not quite how you would like it, don't worry, you are not the only one. Fortunately, OPPO allows its users to adjust icon size. To do it now, pinch your device's display. Then hit icons in all of those options at the bottom. They are located between wallpapers and widgets. Finally, my favorite part, operate this slider under icon to adjust size of them and check out preview at the top. To save your changes, hit apply. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!